Hi. Today we will talk about the Security Command Center and how help you secure and manage risks for your Google Cloud environment. Security Command Center is a native security and risk management platform for Google Cloud that helps continuously monitor your Google Cloud environment, gain visibility into cloud assets, discover vulnerabilities and misconfiguration, detect and respond to threats, and demonstrate compliance based on industry standards and benchmarks. With Security Command Center, you can easily understand the resources that are deployed and manage and see which resources have been added or removed. But what about security misconfiguration and compliance violations in your Google Cloud assets? Security Command Center allows you to identify and resolve them by following actionable recommendations. You can also uncover threats targeting your resources using logs and identify potential compromises in containers. Setting up Security Command Center is very straightforward. Just visit Google Cloud Console, and under the Security section, there is Security Command Center. The pricing model is simple and is based on the tier you choose. There is a generous free standard tier that you can access through the console and a paid premium tier that provides enterprise security capabilities, which you can access by contacting the Google Cloud sales team. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed this Google Cloud component.